Say hi to Sam.
Hi, Sam. Sam. That's me.
What'd you say?
That's me, Sam. That's me.
Who are you? What's your name?
Nobody.
Is that you, Scotty?
That's nobody. That's Lucy. That's Lucy. That's Blue Scotty.
Blue Scotty? Blue Scotty?
No, Booty. Booty thinks blue.
Hey. 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 Yo. What's up?
Beauty.
You want to say hi?
Beauty. That's me, Sam.
Sam doesn't want to say hello? Say hello. She said hello. You hear it, Scotty? She said hello.
Daddy.
Scotty?
No.
What's your name?
Name, Daddy. Beauty.
Who's your sister?
Sam.
Do you love Sam?
Nice Sam.
Do you like Sam or do you love Sam?
Nice Sam.
No, say you love Sam.
Nice Sam.
Of course you like her, but you got to say you love her.
Nice here.
Love her.
Nice here.
Blow her a kiss.
Oh, no.
How about you give her a hug? Give her a hug.
Oh, that's too short. That's too big.
Scotty's too big?
That's too big.
Sam's too small?
That's too short. That's
How about you give her a kiss on her head? Give her a little kiss on her head.
No, that's too short.
No, a nice small kiss on her head. Soft kiss.
No, sir.
No soft kiss?
No, sir.
Is Scotty going to give you a kiss?
No.
Is Scotty going to give you a kiss? Look, she wants a kiss. Do you want a kiss?
Sam. Hey, Sam. Sam.
Yeah, but she wants you to give her a kiss. Go get in the picture. No? Alright, fine. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Wave.
Name.
Blow a kiss.